Welcome to my 25 days decluttering challenge. Each day I have a small task to complete. Please join me on this 25 days decluttering challenge. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. And please leave a comment about how you're doing during this challenge. Today is day one of the 25-day decluttering challenge. Today we're going to work on the refrigerator. We're going to clean out the refrigerator and the freezer part. We're going to pull out all the food, wipe it down really good, and only put back what is good. Make sure you guys check for expired. I'm so excited to do this challenge. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and please share. Let's get started. My friends, I am so excited about this challenge. I hope you guys do join with me on this challenge, and if you do, please leave a comment below. I'm using this antibacterial bathroom cleaner on the refrigerator. I feel like if it's going to help sanitize the bathroom, it can sanitize my refrigerator. I wanted to let you guys know I did film this 25-day decluttering challenge during the fall time. I have a lot of breadcrumbs because we like to keep our bread in the freezer because of Hawaii, but I did vacuum this out and clean it out really good. I just lost the footage. I wasn't realizing I wasn't recording, but here is the after of the cleaning. Thanks so much for joining on day one. I hope to see you guys on day two. Today is day two. We're working in the kitchen doing dishes and Tupperware. We're gonna go through all our Tupperware and make sure that we don't have mismatched lids, and if we do, we're just gonna pitch them. If you guys are not using any dishes anymore, just donate them to the thrift store or give them to a friend. So I'm gonna be going through all my kitchen dishes. That means my pots and pans, my skillets and all that stuff. So let's get started. I'm so excited. I hope you guys enjoyed the refrigerator clean on day 1. Since I don't have cabinet space in my kitchen, I got a kitchen hutch right here that we have in our dining room, so I'm gonna go through this. This is pretty much simple for us. We don't have a lot of dishes, so I'm gonna be cleaning up this, and then I'll be working into the kitchen. Here is some lids I got from Amazon. They're bamboo and they come with straws and they fit perfectly on the mason jars. I'm gonna get rid of this plate because it has a chip on it. Here is our Tupperware area. We don't have a lot, so I didn't have to clean this. If you guys have an area like this and have Tupperwares, match them up. If you don't have lids, pitch them out. You don't need to keep them. Now I'm in the kitchen and I'm going to work on my utensil area. I'm just using a Myers multi-surface cleaner. You could just pick what scent you guys like to smell. I feel like these help me motivate me to clean more because I like the way they smell and it just makes me happy. I like to clean the areas that I declutter really good because then I feel like it gets a nice good clean. Some of the items that I got rid of is some wooden spoons and some chopsticks and Joel's grilling tools. I did keep the big spatula because I like to use that for my pancakes. But since we don't grill anymore, I figured why are we keeping this? So I got rid of those items. I keep our serving dishes up here and our cookie sheets. I got rid of a vegetable steamer, a small crock pot, and a multi-level oven rack. I want to thank you guys so much for joining me on day 2. can't wait to see you on guys day 3. Thank you so much for coming back today. It is day 3 for the 25-day decluttering challenge. Today we are going to be working on organizing our pantry, our spice cabinets too. So let's get started. I think I'm going to start this room first because it's little. So all I'm going to do today is go through all the food and see if anything's expired or get rid of it. If I could put it in the Tupperwares, I'm going to. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and also put the notification bell on so then you guys will be updated on the next videos of the 25-day decluttering challenge. I just wanted to show you guys these containers. I got these at the Dollar Tree a couple years ago. I do like them because I'm able to see inside of them and they keep our stuff pretty fresh. All of my jars that I have for my spices are reusable, from the olive jars to spaghetti jars. Thank you guys so much for joining me on day 3. I hope you guys are doing great on this challenge. Don't forget to comment below and tell me where you guys are at and if you guys are doing this challenge. On day 4, we're going to organize and clean off our desk. forget to organize the school desks that your kids are using during this COVID-19. Does your guys' kids go to school, or are they still online schooling? Our kids are starting to go back in March. I'm excited about it. It's only going to be 2 days a week, but I think it's going to be awesome. Thanks guys for joining me on day 4. I can't wait to see you guys on day 5 where we clean out our finally cabinets. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this 25-day decluttering challenge for the first 5 days. Please let me know if you guys like this videos and if you guys are excited about decluttering your home. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put the notification bell on. Also, if you can, share my videos.